How to log in into Zoho People Employee Portal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Zoho People Employee Portal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in zoho.com and hit enter. On the Zoho People homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the login button. You will be taken towards the login page. Enter your work email address in the email field and click on next. Next, type in password and make sure you have entered it correctly, then click on the sign in button. If by any chance you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link and follow the on-screen instruction to reset it. After logging in, you will be directed towards the Zoho People dashboard. Here you can manage your attendance, view your leave requests, check your payroll information and access other HR resources. And that's it. You are now logged in into your Zoho People Employee Portal and get ready to manage your HR needs. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.